Samsung 6.5 kilograms Inverter 5-star Wobble Technology Fully Automatic Washing Machine. Digital Inverter Technology. Built with a digital inverter, the Samsung WA65T40-62NS 6.5 kilograms fully automatic top-loading washing machine uses high-performance magnets for excellent durability and powerful operation. So, you can experience a long-term, optimal performance that consumes less energy and creates minimal noise. Wobble Technology. Integrated with Wobble Technology, this washing machine minimizes tangles and damage to your clothes. Additionally, this technology offers smooth fabric care. Besides, the Wobble pulsators in this washing machine produce a dynamic, multidirectional washing flow that helps prevent tangles, twists, and knots. Moreover, this washing machine's enhanced washing power softly and effectively cleans your garments. Energy efficiency. Thanks to this washing machine's high energy efficiency and low power consumption, you can keep your electricity bills in check. And it reduces dangerous CO2 emissions, creating a minimal negative impact on the environment. Magic Filter. Equipped with a magic filter, this washing machine collects the lint, fluff, and other debris that get out of your clothes effectively, keeping your laundry clean and preventing drainage blockages. And this filter is hassle-free to clean, adding to the ease of use. Eco Tub Clean. Sporting an Eco Tub Clean course, this washing machine lets you effortlessly keep its top-load washer fresh and clean without using harmful chemicals. Additionally, it sends you an automatic cleaning reminder whenever it needs to be cleaned. Convenient troubleshooting. Designed with Smart Check technology, this washing machine provides an automatic error monitoring system. So, you can use it whenever and wherever you want just with a smartphone app. Moreover, it not only recognizes and analyzes issues but also provides rapid and hassle-free troubleshooting solutions. Diamond Drum. Boasting a diamond drum with a distinctive soft curl design, this washing machine effectively and gently washes your clothes. This way, even delicate clothes won't get damaged by its smooth, diamond-shaped ridges. Child Lock. Equipped with a child lock, this washing machine prevents children from making any unintended changes to its settings. Delay End. Owing to its delay end feature, this washing machine enables you to conveniently set the end time of a wash cycle by up to 24 hours. Delicate Wash Mode. Courtesy of its Delicate Wash Mode, this washing machine allows you to wash delicate pieces of laundry, such as sweaters, cardigans, or woolen clothes. Quick Wash Mode. Featuring a quick wash program, this washing machine lets you wash clothes in a jiffy. This makes it an excellent addition to your hectic schedule. Monsoon Mode. Thanks to its dedicated monsoon mode, this washing machine offers your laundry a rinse and spin powered cleaning to shorten. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.